Hello friends, my name is Edgar Francis. In this section we are going to see how to configure GRE tunnel. We have router 1, router 3 and router 4 acting as a sites, and router 2 is acting as the internet. So first we have to configure the IP addresses to their ports on router 1. As you can see, we have configured the IP addresses on router 2, 1.network, 3.1. and 4.1 network. As you can see, on router 3, a loopback interface. On router 4, 4.2, 40.1 and the loopback interface. So IP interface brief, loopback interface. serial interface is up, fast internet is up. Okay, so in our topology, we don't have a fast internet connected to a working device, so we configure the command no keep alive in order to use the fast internet. So IP interface brief. Okay, the serial interfaces all are up. On router 1, show IP interface. So all the interface is working properly. Everything is up. Okay, so now we are going to configure a default route on router 1. Okay, so IP route, exit, configure terminal, IP route 0.0.0. ask 0.0.0 serial /0 exit. On router 2, we are going to configure static routes. Configure terminal. As you can see, now router 3, configure terminal, default route 4/1. On router 4, configure terminal, IP route, default route, show IP interface, show IP route, static. Here you can see default route on router 1, router 3, show IP route, static, default route. On router 2, show IP route, static. Now we have entries, all the static routes, 10.30 and 40 network. On router 1, show IP route, static. We have a default route. So now we are going to configure a tunnel between R1 and R3 in order to reach the 30 network via tunnel. So our tunnel IP address is 192.168.1.1. Tunnel interface 21. Okay, so now we have to configure vice versa from router 3 to router 1. Configure terminal. Here also the IP address is 1.2, a tunnel IP address. Show IP interface brief, tunnel is up. Okay. Show IP interface brief, tunnel is up. configure terminal. Now we have to configure our EIGRP in order to advertise the tunnel interface. So what's the problem? I think it's the agent's no auto summary issue. Yeah, so no auto summary. Okay. Exit. And okay, now ping 10.1.1. network. Okay, successful. Ping tunnel interface. Sorry, tunnel IP address. Okay, tunnel. Now trace route. Okay, 10. network. Tunnel. That's trace route from router 3. Trace route 10. 40. network. 40.1.1. network. Okay, so 40. network is using a serial interfaces because we have not yet configured tunnel between R1 and R4. So now let's configure trace route. 1.1 network. The 2 is reachable, and trace route 30.1.1. network. Okay, so it's using a tunnel in order to reach a 30. network, and 40. network okay is using a serial interfaces 1. network and 40.4.2 network. Router 1 is not using a GRE because we have not yet configured. Drive interface brief. Exclude. As you can see, we have 10.72. and 92. network is up. Show IP interface brief. Exclude. Okay, ABC tunnel interface is up. Loopback, serial, and fast Ethernet is up. Interface brief. Exclude. You can see loopback, serial, fast Ethernet. Tunnel interface is not there because we have not yet configured. So now we are going to configure our tunnel interface. Okay, sorry. Okay, our tunnel interface is 40.1 network, source 1. network, and destination 4.2 network. Here also configure terminal. Router 40.2 network, tunnel interface 41. Show IP interface brief. Exclude. You can see now we have a tunnel interface and it's up, it's working. Drive interface brief. Exclude. Okay, you can see the 41 tunnel 41 is up. Now we have to configure the EIGRP just to advertise a tunnel network. and router 4 also. Make sure to subscribe this channel and give a like if you like this video. There's a link in the description of this topology and lab. There's a theory also in the description box, you can check it out. Trace route 10.1.1 network, source 40.1.1 network. Here you can see router 4 is using a tunnel in order to reach the 10. network and 30. network. Here you can see the router 4 is using GRE tunnel in order to reach a 30. network via 40.